In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on the Salesforce dashboard for better visibility. If you spend a lot of time working in Salesforce, especially on dashboards, reports, or chart-heavy pages, adjusting the zoom level can make the interface much easier to read. This is especially helpful when you're presenting data, reviewing metrics, or simply trying to reduce eye strain on a smaller screen. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a few simple ways to zoom in, including how to enlarge the full interface and how to focus on individual dashboard components. To begin, open Salesforce in your desktop web browser. Make sure you're on the page you want to view more clearly, such as a dashboard or analytics screen. Using a desktop browser is important here, since the keyboard shortcuts and browser controls we're covering are designed for desktop use. Once Salesforce is open, the fastest way to zoom in on the entire interface is by using your keyboard. On Windows, press Ctrl and the plus key at the same time. On a Mac, press Command and the plus key. This increases the browser zoom level, making text, charts, menus, and other interface elements appear larger. If needed, you can press the shortcut more than once until the display reaches a comfortable size. If you prefer not to use keyboard shortcuts, you can also change the zoom through your browser settings. Look in the top right corner of your browser window for the menu icon, which usually appears as 3 dots or 3 lines. Open that menu, then find the zoom controls. From there, you can increase the zoom level manually. This method is useful if you want a more visual way to adjust the display, or if you're working on a keyboard that doesn't make shortcut keys convenient. Now, if your goal is not to enlarge the whole Salesforce page, but instead to get a better look at a specific dashboard chart, there's another option. On the individual dashboard widget, click the expand icon. This opens that particular chart or component in a larger view, which can make detailed data easier to examine without changing the zoom level for the entire browser window. This is especially useful when one chart contains a lot of labels, values, or small visual details. When you're finished, you can quickly return everything to the default zoom level. On Windows, press Ctrl and 0. On a Mac, press Command and 0. That resets the page back to normal size. Those are the easiest ways to zoom in on the Salesforce dashboard and improve visibility while you work.